Hold this.
ตรงไหน
Look. Now look me. Hello.
โอเค
This is Joy on the camera. Say hello, Joy.
ฮัลโหล
Okay, she's making the film. What we're going to do today is we're going to do an HIV test, just to show you guys how easy it is. You can buy these at the clinics here in Pattaya. I do one every month. Because it's better to be safe than sorry. So what we're going to do is we're just going to sterilize my finger, and we're going to get a needle, and it hurts a little bit. Just a tiny little jab on the finger. Just enough so you know there's going to be some blood come out. Yeah, it's just enough to draw some blood, and then squeeze. You want one drop of blood into the little tube.
you okay
Yeah, it hurts a little bit.
เจ็บไหม
Jab means hurt.
not เจ็บ
Jab.
you big you อยาก
So we want a bit of blood in the thing, and then we take the solution, and we're going to put just three drops into the solution. Then we wipe that. Now I've got really thick blood. I eat a lot of protein, so I have a very high hemoglobin, which means I have really thick blood. So it takes a long time to actually go through. My hemoglobin and my hematocrit are really high, but now it's starting to come through now. So I'm gonna get the video off, get the camera off. Joy, say hello, Joy. Now, as you can see, the test is. I hope this is focusing okay. The test is processing now. Now these are only a few dollars each. You can buy them from any clinic, any sexual transmission disease clinic, and there's a lot of them in Pattaya. There's one on Soibakal, that's the closest one to me. And you buy these things and you do them at home. You do them once a month, just to be safe. Better safe than sorry. Now what we're looking for is a result of C. C is control, T is test. Or an easier way to remember is C is cool, T is terrible. So we were looking for a mark on the C. We don't want a mark on the T. Mark on the T is not good. But having said that, if you do get a mark on the T, now HIV is not a life sentence. It's 2 tablets a day, and I'm good friends with the specialist here in Pattaya, and he says to me that he would rather someone come in with HIV than hepatitis now, because HIV these days is a lot easier to treat than diabetes. He would rather have you come in with HIV than diabetes, because diabetes is a lot harder to treat now than HIV. Now, as you can see now, we're getting a result. We're getting a result now. We're getting a C, which is cool or control. If we get the double line, which is the T as well, that's a test, so a positive. So Joy, come over here. I speak English for I make the video, but you see now what we have here is we have a C, which is good. If we have a T, then we have a test for positive.
T no good
T no good. You understand? So C is control or
okay.
Cool.
C okay
C is good. T is no good. T is test, which means positive. But like I said, if you do test positive,
I can take
it's not a life sentence, a positive test now. And another interesting thing that I'll tell you just while we're waiting for this to develop properly, most of the HIV cases here in Pattaya can be traced back to transsexual activity. So almost all of the cases can be traced back to some even Charlie Sheen. Let's look at Charlie Sheen's case. As soon as I heard he was HIV positive, straight away I said he's either been doing intravenous drugs, or he's been sleeping with a transsexual or a gay, and that's what has happened. It's just recently come out that Charlie Sheen is bisexual, so he swings both ways. But there you go. There's a nice negative HIV test